gym, so that is why I didn't go there. You know, in this way you are going with your feeling and emotions. And if you are going with your feeling and emotions, so you are doing procrastination.
Hello there, this is Anu and I welcome to you my YouTube channel Let's Learn English with Anu. So how have you been? I hope you all are having great. So in this today's video we will discuss about discipline. That what is the importance of discipline. So discipline means doing what is right. Even you don't feel like to do that, but somehow you have to do, because discipline teach us to going with your schedule, planning and time management. Today I feel like that I have to go to watch movie, so I went there. Today I don't feel like to go gym, so that is why I didn't go there. You know, in this way you are going with your feeling and emotions, and if you are going with your feeling and emotions, so you are doing procrastinate yourself, and if you are procrastinate yourself, so one day you will definitely face a problem. If you are see the successful person, so why they are become successful? Because they were very disciplined to their work. That is why today they are successful. You know what? Discipline teach us planning, schedule and time management. So that is why discipline is very important, because it plays significant role in itself. Let's learn from the story. There was a boy whose name was Arav, and he loved to play piano, and he dreamed to become a good musician. But the thing is that he was not very disciplined. He was doing practice whenever he was feel like that. Sometimes he was doing practice 10 minutes and sometimes doing practice 15 minutes. So in this way he is not doing practice on a regular basis, because sometimes he was not touch the piano at all. Then one day his teacher, Mrs. Meera, she gave her a challenge, and she said that Arav, today I am giving you challenge and you have to do for a 1 month on a regular basis. Then he asked that which type of challenge ma'am you are giving me. Then she said that I am giving you a challenge that you have to do practice on a regular basis only 15 minutes. Then he was easily agreed, and he was said that okay ma'am, I will definitely do it on a regular basis. But the thing is that you don't have skip even a single day. You have to do without any excuse and without any break. Then he was easily agreed, and after that he was starting doing practice on a regular basis. Initial days he was doing practice with very energetic. So in this way, whenever he was feel like laziness, then with the same time he was kept in a mind that I gave a promise to my teacher, so that is why I have to do this. And after some time his finger become a move faster, and his music become a smooth, and he was become a more confident. Then after a 1 month his teacher asked him to play the piano in front of the class. Then he was start playing the music, and he was played very well. All the classmates, they clapped loudly, and after that they felt very glad. So in this way Arav become more confident as well. Then Mrs. Meera smiled and said, this is the power of discipline. So when you do small things on a regular basis, they bring a big result. So here you can easily understand that why discipline is important. For in this way he was become a consistency with their practice, and he was become a more confidence, and also he was become a stress free. Also he was build their consistency as well. A simple thought of discipline is motivate get you start, but discipline is keeps you going. So in the end I believe that discipline is the finest form of self-love. So here you will easily learn that what is the benefit of becoming a discipline in your lifestyle. So I hope you will enjoy and learn as well. So keep watching, keep learning. So thank you so much for keep watching and keep learning. I hope you will enjoy, and thank you so much. We will meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. And yes, don't forget like, subscribe and share also. Bye bye. Till then, take care.